Ah, wow. Happening now at Trade Fair. New site, the new site. The new site, Trade Fair. Yes. Hey, wow. What is it? What do you approve of what we are in now? Okay. Economic sciences na video. Kwa niko wire sima yene na. No plaza. No plaza. Mama.
Now what?
Now what? That's it. I can't talk with this.
No, we have our friend. Let me do.
I was authorized to do that.
Let's wait for our own president.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Our press man. Let me do it. So the statement everybody knows will stop. Oh, you want to show us?
Demolition.
Fiesta.
Oh yeah,
it's okay that for one. So
no, go see. I could give some.
Okay, all right. So
brief.
So good afternoon, everybody. You know, I'm surrounded by members of the stakeholders from Trade Fair. You know, and all I need to do is to give the message of Demolition. So, you know, we have come here for an enforcement today. You understand, last week we had invited the executive director of the Trade Fair, So last week we had invited the executive director of the Trade Fair complex. But unfortunately, we did not see her for one reason or the other. And Mr. Governor has directed that we should come here and do our routine enforcement work, you know, which has led to some, you know, maybe talking of buildings and partial demolitions just as a deterrent. However, the governor of Lagos State, I repeat his name again, Governor Babajide Olusola has called and directed that we should stop this operation. Because the traders have reached out to him, you know, through some of your leaders, and he's very pleased that you reached out to him. You know, he's a governor that likes people to come to the table and negotiate. He's a governor that wants to understand the plight of the people and also provide for them. So now that the governor has taken a decision that this operation should stop, we want everybody to know that this is not against anyone. It is for a greater Lagos rising. We are all one, you know, under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We must also respect the building regulations in Lagos State, which means that for every building that you pull up within the state, you must obtain an approval from the Lagos State Municipal Planning Permit Authority and also authorization from the Lagos State Building Control Agency, which I have the acting general manager behind you. And you must also ensure that you call them for staging. We all know what state certification is, so that there are no building collapses. from the foundation up to the roof, it needs to be staged. So going forward, Governor has directed that we should stop enforcement here, but we are inviting members of the association and the stakeholders to come forward, to our office for regularization. We would communicate with the chairman. I believe that the chairman is by my side. I mean, we have already spoken to him. We've also had a meeting with the executive director. Some of my colleagues are right now in his office, particularly the commissioner for physical planning and urban development, something, and they're having a discussion. So we would want you to come for a stakeholder. Let us agree on how we will improve the conditions of this operation. Yeah. So I don't know whether the chairman has any major requests. No, I want the chairman to speak. Yeah.
First of all, I want to thank you for coming today and helping about your actions and the work of because we are law-abiding citizens. Under normal circumstances, this thing we thought we are in federal government. But the moment people came now and use the extent, we can't fight government. We cannot fight government. What is paying us is not the foolish. So maybe you could tell us you want to see what I personally will do. The governor of Lagos State is my friend. I have been with him in several cases, especially when the